this one right here. So yesterday y'all seen me paint this and turned out great. You wanna grab that small piece? Yeah, I painted it. You wanna grab that small piece right there?
Okay.
And my daughter's gonna help me out today. All right guys, there it is. That's the finished product. So as you can see, the match isn't perfect. However, probably would be better if it was blended in, but it looks a whole lot better than before. This car, I was selling it for, I think I had it posted for like $1,000 with the damage. Nobody ever hit me up on it. So now I'll post it for about 1,700, maybe 1,800, or best offer, and see what comes out of it.